Hey guys, I'm Faith, one of the orthodontic assistants here at Boss Orthodontics. I wanted to show you guys how to deal with a pokey wire at home, or maybe one of the brackets is poking you, or maybe we have a broken bracket. How can we handle that at home until we can get you in for an appointment? As the teeth shift, it's very common to have the wire eventually extend past this very back bracket. So when it extends, it gets pokey like that. You'll just want to take a little piece of wax and you'll just smush it on the bracket and the wire. Sometimes the wire can come out of your bracket just like this one. So what we'll do to stabilize it is take a long strip of wax and we're going to put it on both brackets on top of that wire to keep that wire from moving or bothering you. You also may have noticed that some of your brackets have these little pegs on them. Those pegs can often get pokey against your cheeks or your lips. So usually you'll take a little ball of wax and put it on that peg. Another thing that we do that is really common is that we will put these bins in the wire behind the very last bracket of which the wire is in. That way the wire doesn't slide out of the brackets. If those ever come upwards or get pokey, you can always take tweezers just like these at home and you can grab a hold of it and bend it downward or inwards. These wires can also shift, making one side longer than the other. To make sure that it's in the middle, you can always look very closely at your wire here. It has a middle dot where it's supposed to stay in the middle. Right here. You can see that there's 3, so the one dot is supposed to be in between the 2 front teeth. So you can always take your tweezers and you can center it back in place and move it side to side. And then lastly, if you have a broken bracket that's just kind of dangling on the wire there, you'll take a long piece of wax and just connect it to the other brackets. That way you can kind of stabilize it. And then let us know that you have a broken bracket, that way we can get you in and get it fixed.